Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, I'm back again with another video, my people. My people, you know, so when I come out, I come with the real news, Real news around here. So guess what I want to do? I want to press like, I want to share, I want to subscribe, and I want to press the notification bell and click all. All right? Tell a friend to tell a friend about Atafa the Press. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan. But firstly, people, don't know, so I have to big up my subscriber, them. Big up my subscriber, Garfield Reed. Garfield Reed was the first one to subscribe to my channel, and he put it in the comment section. So if you want to get a shout out, my people, all you have to do is watch the video for at least 3 minutes, my people, and then subscribe to my channel and write I subscribe in the comment section. So Garfield Reed, big up yourself. All right, so my people, me not waste no time around here. Hear this. So my people, the Canada-based legal clinic urges Jamaican government to help injured laborers who have been booted from program. Wanna hear this? All right, let me read the article. A non-profit legal clinic in Ontario, Canada, has criticized the Jamaican government over what it says its lethargic response in helping injured farm workers get compensation from its Canadian counterpart. Labour Minister Pernell Charles Jr. has rebuffed the claim, the people. All right, let me elaborate on this, because Canada government don't need to understand. You must know by now. You not going like you no know. Andrew Holness don't care about a soul, but him wife, and him pitney them. Andrew Holness don't care. Imagine me people, the people then get booted from out of Canada. Yeah? And Andrew Holness not even a fad pan them, much as look on them. Seriously? You know, sister, Andrew Holness don't care. When you not go up in no kulu eye and see. Andrew Holness do not care about these farmers. He doesn't care at all. Number one, they never get good treatment in Canada. That's a number one. Number two, true, because them release the video and them whistleblow upon them upset with the people them and deport the people them back to Jamaica. And Andrew Holness not even care about the people them, because the last time when we check, one youth did come out and he say he need help. Then deport him back to Jamaica because he released the video and the man need help. And there's nobody there to help the man. So let me tell you something. Andrew Holness don't give a crap about nobody. Nobody. He doesn't care. And this is a disgrace. Big disgrace, my people. But the thing is, when we Jamaican are going to learn, because you go out and you get mistreated, you go to Canada, they mistreat you. When you not going to learn, when you not going to wake up, so it's best to have your own. You better understand in the country, to be quite honest. Because if you go out and people are mistreat, you better understand in our country. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. You understand? Because the people them go out, they not get treated good. Yeah, and because the people them talk about it, it become a problem. You understand? It become a big problem. And Andrew Holness should shame himself. Yeah, for the people them I talk about him, who don't care about him, own people them. And I ask them, can you imagine another country is asking Jamaica Prime Minister to help his own people? I look like you not say what go on. Look like you're blind. You not say what go on. Say Andrew Holness not care. And then when you're ready, you see the people them are run behind Andrew Holness. Say Andrew Holness is doing good. Andrew Holness not do a crap. He's not doing nothing. So I don't understand how people really come out and pick up for Andrew Holness. I don't get it. Enough of them hungry. Enough of them hungry. You come out and talk about Andrew Holness. You're not hungry. You don't not even have a proper bed. And you come out and defend Andrew Holness. You're not serious? Come like you lick on your head when you're small or something. Come like you're crazy. The people, hear this. Boss is here. And boss there. Watch me empty.
Watch me MP. Finally. Big man. The boss there. He's here. He's here. Real socialist. The boss is here. God. Red Nation. Out there. Red Nation.
Alright, so arriving is unfortunately we have the music. Unfortunately. So as I was saying, okay. I think most of all of
Yes, my people. When I say Damion Crawford is in the building, my people. The people, them love him down in West St. Catherine. Boy, may I tell you, this man, him deserve it, man. Him deserve it. I'm like how the people, them come out and I show him love. Anyway, in go still. People, them always a show him love. Always a show Damion Crawford. You know why? Damion Crawford is a man now. He always attack up the things them in a parliament. He always attack truth. And he put things in place because there's a lot of times him come up with ideas and then Andrew Holness then use the ideas. And nothing I hide. Everybody know. Who no want know or who no want hear it of own business. But a facts me I tell you now. I don't know say me drag on a memory. I don't know, you know. I don't know say me will drag on a memory. Because you guys know, I will go and bring the evidence here. Because sometimes when I not show the evidence, I don't go on like I don't want to believe. But I realize that when I come with the evidence, all when I see it, I still go on like I'm blind. So here one know a real thing me I telling about Damion Crawford. Always come out and I show up the government. Always that a one thing. This man, he really love the people them. He does. He really do. I'm like how them turn out and I show him love. Respect Damion Crawford. Go on do my G. Go on. Bless up. Yes, my people. Breaking news. Leoda Bradshaw still not charged in Paulwell baby probe, my people. So, the article said that police have yet to lay charges against Leoda Bradshaw, the woman named in connection with the disappearance of the 10-month-old daughter of a veteran politician Philip Paulwell and her mother. That's the word from the Deputy Commissioner in charge of the Constabulary Crime and Security Portfolio, Fix Bailey. 34-year-old Bradshaw is a prime suspect in the disappearance of 27-year-old Tashina Pattison and her daughter, Saraya Paulwell. Some people, I wonder why them are wait pan, unless there's something else what we don't know about. Because if they're not charged, I'm pretty sure it was supposed to Friday, she shouldn't get charged. So if I know they're not charged her, maybe something in or something, my people. Maybe there's other things. Or maybe things come up. They don't do the charges. People read between the lines. Read between the lines when I say to no. Maybe them find out something. That's why. Boy, my people, because you see, this lady and her little baby, they deserve justice. They deserve justice because this, what happened to them, they don't deserve it. They don't deserve this at all. You understand? So, we want justice for the baby mother and for the baby. Justice we want and justice we shall get for this baby mother and baby because them not deserve this. Them not deserve this at all. And me want to know what them are wait pan for charge this woman. I don't get it. Wanna wait pan for charge her. As me say, my people, me not gonna say too much pan it. But me just want to know say they not charge her yet, because I think on Friday they were supposed to charge her, but they not charge her. So me just I bring this to the forefront so I don't know what go on. But as I said, maybe something come up, my people. Maybe they find out something. That's why. So I'm going to update you guys when more information come out, alright? So all I want you guys to do is to like up the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Remember guys, when you subscribe, you for watch the video for at least 3 minutes. Yeah, and write I subscribe. You can just come in the comment section and say you subscribe, because me I gonna know. You understand? And me will know if you watch the video for more than 3 minutes also, my people. Alright? So bless up on a nice clean self. I'm out.